Y'all ready for this? Okay, I hope you're doing very well, right? Okay, so what I want to do today is to show you how you can make money from animation, okay, whiteboard animation videos. All right, so without wasting time, I will need us to go straight to where we can get it done, right? But before then, please, can I remind you something? You need to encourage us to grow this channel and to grow this community. Is it right? Okay, so please, I will need you to please do your best to do something about you subscribing, following us, and then you can make some contributions as well. You can say, oh, DrTamK, please send me account number. Let me send you 1,000 naira. Let me send you 200 naira. Let me send you 500 naira. That is the way of encouraging us, right, to serve you more, right? So please, let's share these videos and let it go viral to as many persons as possible to be a blessing to someone else as well, right? Let's grow this channel and then make the world a better place. We are here to improve the world. So are we ready? Okay, without wasting our time, let's go and get it done. So we're going to go open our browser using our smartphone, right? So we go down here. Let's come this way. Okay, I'm going to open one of my browser. I'm using Chrome browser, right? I just open Chrome browser. Let's open a new tab. All right, and the new tab, let's type render forest. You can see that, right? Okay, renderforest.com. Just click on this first one. All right, so that is it. Okay, so it's going to pop up like this, and then you're going to have so many things in here. All right, so if you have not having an account before now, you can just click on this. Click on the menu button down here. Okay, just click on agree here. No, get out of field on. All right, so guys, the first thing we're going to do is to click on this menu button here, right? And then we're going to click on that, and then you click on create. Okay, then that will create an account for yourself. Okay, so what you do is you can sign in and all that stuff, right? So let's say we want to start with that of videos, right? So you can click on videos. All right, good. And then you can go for animations. Okay, you can see here animations. Go for animations. You can do intros, you can do outros, and the rest of them. Okay, but we'll click on animations. All right, here we have so many of them. Okay, now because we want to talk about whiteboard, you can see here this whiteboard animation, and we have other one 3D video toolkits. You know, they're all here. Everything is in here. All right, you can use this site to do a lot of great things for yourself. But meanwhile, today we're going to focus on this. This is what we're focusing. So let's click on that whiteboard animation. Make sure before you come down here you have your story ready for yourself. Okay, make sure you have your story ready so it will be easy for you to go through. All right, so let's give it time. Make sure your internet connection is strong for you to do this. Okay, so make sure we allow it to load gently, quietly, and let it come up. All right, so it's coming up now. I just create now. We're going to be creating new one, right? Okay, so you're going to be say guide me. I don't need to be guided because I'm here to guide you, right? So just click on no thanks. All right, okay, so here we're going to take a look at, there are 3 categories here. Let's see that we have the start from scratch, we have type your story, we have template. So I would love us to work with this type your story. That is better. So just type your script and we'll just suggest the best match. This one, they may likely take money from you. Here they may also likely take money from, so just let's focus on this type your story, right? Let's click that. Okay, so here we have the story stuff, add your video script and all that. Okay, so or you can generate project. Okay, so let's see how it goes. All right, so this is what I tend to do. I'm going to paste my story. Okay, hold on. All right, so guys, I've done with my story. You can see the right top here. Okay, this is my script. Like I told you, make sure your script is ready before you come down here. Then the next thing you're going to do is to click on generate project. All right, let's click on that generate project. Okay, set the character shorten terms or move to a new line. All right, so I think they're saying it's too much, so I need to reduce it. Okay, so just hold on. All right, so as you can see now, I've created one scene. Now you can see here that is the scene, and this is the right top here. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to add another text. Okay, so you click on here, add text, or you create this plus sign, and then also the text position. You can decide to have it on your left or on your right. Okay, and now if you don't like this particular image, okay, you can decide to change it. Okay, so maybe you can do something of this nature. Just click on matching scenes and all that, then you are good to go. All right, so let's click on that and see how it goes. So if you come down here, it's loading. Okay, so this is what you got. All right, now remember this crown sign shows that, okay, it's a paid one, so you have to pay for it if you have to use this particular one. So don't click on the wherever you have crown. All right, just don't touch that part. All right, okay, so hold on. Now there is something you can do. If you are looking for a particular scene, by the time you click on the scene, you can search for that scene. Like here now, just type community so that they can get something that match it. Okay, so I'm just looking through this. Remember, the one that has crown, don't touch them. You can say that this one has a crown, don't touch it. Okay, you can't use it. So you go for the one that has no crown. Like I can use this one, right? I can use this too. I can use any of these stuffs here. Okay, so I think I can. Let me use this particular one here. Let me use this one. All right, so what I'm going to do is to add my text. Okay, type your text here. So click on type your text. So I'm going to do all of this for all of that. Then I'm going to come back and we'll take it from there so that the video will not be too long for you. Okay, so let me pause. Okay, right guys, I've been able to add about 3 scenes so far. Because of my free plan, I cannot actually make the 4th scene. All right, so I'm going to leave it this way. And what I'm going to do now is to either mock it or add color. I can change my colors. I can add music here. I can play it and see how it goes. And then of course you can save it. All right, so what I'm going to do is to see how we can get this saved. Okay, so I decided to sign up because I've not signed up before. So I'm going to click on this. All right, for this account, I'm going to click on continue with Google. It's very fast to do that. Just do that, and then when it pop up, all right, just take any of the email you want to use, and then you are good to go. So it's coming up, it's loading now. All right, so I'm going to saving the messages. All right, the old stuff. All right, for me. Okay, so I'm going to import it. All right, hold on. So they wanted me to actually add music or whatever, right? But I'm not interested, so I'm going to click on skip. All right, then we have about 2 options here: fast preview and HD7 to 20 export and other. So I'm going to take care of this. All right, just click on this fast preview. All right, so it's going to be previewing. I'm going to pause the video and allow that to take place, and then we're going to come back to you. All right, just hold on. As you can see now, it's exporting 61% so far. And it's going down way. Okay, so sometimes it may be delaying. Sometimes you can just go check your email address and see that okay, it has already been sent to your email. All right, and then you can download the video over there. All right, but it's exporting it too. So let's see if I can go check my email, okay, and see if it has been done. All right, just follow me closely. I'm going to go to my email box and then check if it is in there already. Okay, so let me check my mails. All right, I'll go straight to the mail I'm using. All right, so let's see. Sorry. Okay, so it's already here. You can see that it's already here. Render Forest. Okay, so you can see that welcome to Render Forest. Discover ways to get started and all that. So it's already here. So let's see. Let me go back if my video. Okay, just hold on. All right, guys. So it's been fully downloaded. Exported as well. Okay, they can ask you to remove watermark. Okay, don't really need to do that. I'm going to use another app to do that for ourselves. Okay, they can ask you to edit it and all that. Okay, but let's play and see how it goes. Or better still, if you want to download, I think just click on these three dots here. Okay, just click on that, and then you're going to see or you put your finger on it. Okay, press it down for a while. Look at what I did. Press this background for a while, then this pop up. Okay, you're going to see download video, right? Just click on download video for us to download the video. All right, so this is the video being downloaded, so click on download. In few seconds it's been done. All right, just seconds. Okay, maybe minutes. Okay, it's already done, so I can open it and see how it goes. Just click and open it. Okay, so this is it. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go straight to my what do you call it now? I'm going to go to CapCut and then edit this, and then kind of like customize it for myself. All right, so just follow me closely. So guys, this is my CapCut. All right, so I'm going to open my CapCut. All right, so the next I'm going to do is click on new project. Just click on new project. All right, now this is the video here, so just click on it. All right, so just click on add here. Okay, so you can see it has come down here to your timeline. So the first I want to do is, can you see this place? There's a watermark coming from the Render Forest. Okay, let's first cover up that space, okay, by maybe putting something that can cover it up. Right, so let's do that first. So what I'm going to do is to click on stickers. I just want to click on stickers and then cover it up. All right, I can just take something like this. Let's take something like okay, can we take this bell? Let's take this bell. Okay, by way of telling the person, okay, oh, sign up and all that stuff, right? You can just reduce it a bit. Okay, let's take it down here and make it a bit bigger if you can. All right, very good. Okay, then work on it, straighten it a bit. All right, okay, so let's see. Okay, that is just position it very well. Can I use something else, because that is not actually covering it very well? So let me remove, now let me remove this and use something else. Okay, let me use another sticker, something that can actually cover it properly. Okay, so let's use maybe we can see something like, hold on, just hold on, let me pause the video. All right, so guys, I just used my design logo, right, stuff like that, to cover up that space. And then what I can do is to like drag this to the end. Okay, just drag it to the very end. You can see what I'm doing. I just drag to the end. Now it's much more than what's expected, so what I can do is to split. Now another thing again, you can also remove CapCut. You can see CapCut showing. See CapCut logo, right? You can see the watermark, right? So we can also remove that too. So if you want to remove CapCut, what you're going to do is click on this, click on that last end. You see where I click this place? I just click that, and then I'm going to click on delete. Click on delete here, then CapCut will go first, and then because now you can see no more CapCut again. If you see to the end, there's no CapCut again. So what I'm going to do again is to click on this. I just click on the logos line up here. You can see that, and then click on split. Click on split here. All right, just click on split, and then the next thing you're going to do is to come down here. Now make sure you're not delete, don't touch the right, left hand. I'm touching the right because that's the one I want to split. All right, so what I'm going to do is to click on delete, then that end is gone. So you can see it will cover up that space till the very from the beginning to the end. All right, very beginning to the end. Okay, now my text, my stuff was not that complete. Now I want to try something for you to see. What I want to do is to auto captions. All right, text to speech and all that is in here. You can see that, right? Okay, let me go get text to speech. Click on edit, and then let's go to text to speech. It should be somewhere here. Let's see if I can have it. Okay, just hold on, let me. All right, so guys, what I want to do now is to actually add my intro video, right? So I can click on the plus sign here and go get my intro video somewhere here. All right, so this is it. I want to use this as my intro video. All right, so that's my intro video. I've added it now, but I'm going to cut off this part of it from it. I'm going to cut off this part, so I'm going to delete this now. Okay, just this one. Okay, so that is part I want to delete. I think it should be gone now. Okay, it's still there some. Okay, yeah, it's gone. All right, so on this part I want to add this, I want to add sound to this part, right? So I'm going to go to edit. Okay, now go to audio, click on audio, and then click on sounds. All right, then let's add a beautiful sound. So you have a lot of sound here, so let's add a beat. Okay, so let's try this. All right, so guys, I just add a beautiful sound to it. Okay, let me play it so they can hear it. All right, this is how it goes. Beautiful, isn't it? That's it. You can see that, very beautiful. Now, okay, now the sound was too long, so I'm going to cut it off from somewhere here, from this way. All right, let me cut off from it. You can click on split again, click on the right hand, then click on delete. Okay, that side is gone, so you can left the sound here. Okay, so let's play it again. Can hear that, right? So by the time you get to this end, okay, you go to stop. All right, then I can take another sound from here if I want to. All right, so let me just add another sound here. From here, click on sound again, and then I'm going to go for, maybe this time around I'm going to go for R&B. Then let me put something like I have to select, right? Selecting something, I'll go with it. Alright guys, I don't like the sound I'm hearing, so I want to go get something from my music. Alright, so I'm going to click on this, and then click on from device. Okay, then I'm going to pick something from here. You can see these are from my end here, so I'm going to click on this. Alright, I think that is cool, so I click on the plus sign. Alright, then alright, now the music I added wasn't long enough. It stopped somewhere here. It got stopped somewhere here. So what I'm going to do is to click on it. Alright, and then I'm going to click on this come over there and click on copy. Just click on copy. Okay, you can see now it's been added. Something's been added to it. Okay, oh, it's now far much more than what's expected. So just click on split, click on split, and then click on delete. All right, that is it. Okay, so now that has been done, okay, let's go from the beginning again and see how it goes. So just play like this. This is how it comes. All right, so when it comes to this way, all right, you can have wonderful stuff here. Okay, so I think that is it, guys. Maybe what I can do, I'm going to send you the final stuff, and you're going to see the end of it all. All right, but please, I need you to quickly click on the subscription bell or follow us if you have not been following us, and then make sure you can send us a little donation to support this work. All right, because we're here to serve you. We're not taxing to get us anything. I think you can learn from this and make great money from this. All right, this is DrTamK talking to you. So go to finally now, at the end of the now, click on this to download it. All right, but I'm not going to do that until I get your work done, and I'll send it to you and you'll see the final work. All right, God bless you. Have a wonderful time there. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.